Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Combine 2 cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water in a heavy saucepan and place over medium heat. Heat the mixture without stirring. Swirl the pan occasionally and monitor with a candy thermometer until the syrup reaches 320 degrees F, the hard crack stage. Remove from heat, immediately stir in 1/4 teaspoon flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring, and let the syrup cool to about 290 degrees F so it is viscous, but still fluid for thread formation. Use a clean metal balloon whisk or 2 forks positioned across a wide metal bowl to create threads by hand. This is the only practical machine-free method for authentic cotton candy. Dip the whisk into the warm syrup, let excess drip back into the pan, then snap or flick the whisk outward in quick motions so the syrup pulls into hair-fine threads that cool midair. As threads land, gently rotate a paper cone or a wooden stick while sweeping threads onto it to build a fluffy cotton candy head. Work over a large bowl and cover nearby surfaces because molten sugar at 320 degrees F will cause serious burns and hardens instantly on contact. Wear heat-resistant gloves, long sleeves, and safety glasses. Keep children and pets at least 3 feet away while you spin syrup threads. If sugar hardens in the pan, you can reheat gently to reuse. Store any leftover hardened spun sugar in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks for decoration or remelt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.